Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bacon carbonara. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 4 large egg yolks and 2 whole eggs for richness. Make sure to have 150 grams of guanciale or pancetta cut into small pieces. Finally, grate 200 grams of pecorino romano cheese. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's get our pasta and bacon ready. Cook 200 grams of your favorite pasta, like spaghetti or bucatini, until it's perfectly al dente. While the pasta cooks, render your guanciale or pancetta in a pan until it's beautifully crispy. Remember to save some of that flavorful rendered fat. It's crucial for our sauce. Also, before draining, reserve about 1 cup of the starchy pasta water. Now for the heart of our carbonara, the creamy sauce. In a bowl, whisk together your 4 egg yolks, 2 whole eggs, and the 200 grams of grated pecorino romano cheese. Season generously with freshly ground black pepper. Gradually add a small amount of the hot, starchy pasta water to this mixture, whisking constantly. This gentle tempering prevents the eggs from scrambling, ensuring a silky smooth sauce. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Immediately transfer the hot, drained pasta directly into your egg and cheese mixture. Toss vigorously and quickly to ensure every strand is beautifully coated with the creamy sauce. Stir in your crispy guanciale or pancetta, along with a splash more of that reserved pasta water if needed for consistency. Serve your perfect carbonara immediately, garnished with extra cheese and black pepper. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.